What's the meaning of bipolar disorder? Bipolar disorder. Bipolar disorder.
Bipolar disorder. Bipolar disorder. Bipolar disorder, also known as manic depressive illness, is a mental health condition characterized by extreme shifts in mood, energy, and activity levels. People with bipolar disorder experience periods of intense elation or mania, which may be accompanied by impulsive or risky behavior, followed by periods of deep depression, lack of energy, and difficulty with daily tasks. The exact causes of bipolar disorder are not fully understood, but genetics, brain structure, and environmental factors can play a role. Bipolar disorder can be effectively managed with a combination of medication, therapy, and lifestyle changes, allowing individuals to lead fulfilling lives despite the challenges posed by the condition.